Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. Welcome today. In today's video, we're going to talk about it is not too late to start your online business today. It's not too late. You're not too old. You're not too young. It's not too late during the day. It's not too early in the morning. Start your online business today where you can go ahead and create an opportunity and a legacy for yourself, travel the world, and pay those bills off. It's not just about paying the bills. It's about creating something for yourself in 2020. So if you haven't yet, hit that red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and let's talk about it. I'm right into this auditorium right now. And we were just talking about online business. We were talking about online business in this space, actually in this building space. And I wanted to take a few minutes to tell you it's not too late to start your online business. Now, the biggest thing that I usually talk to people about when I do get that opportunity to talk to people, they say either they're too old, they're too young, they're broke, they don't have any money, they don't have the skill set, they don't have the time. What else I'm hearing about? They say, I'm afraid that the fact if I get started, I'm not gonna really make the money. If I get started, I don't know what to say. And the biggest thing that I really think is all about your mindset, of course. It's your mind. And it's about putting yourself in a position or a group that's going to give you the support. And what I want to invite you in, click on the link below. There's an opportunity for you. Not just a buying opportunity, but an opportunity for you to be part of our community and our support, that we can give you the encouragement, we can give you the training, we can give you the direction, we can give you the moral support, you could be your friend, the mentor, coaching. All that stuff is part of this group here, and that's the biggest thing that I see. Too young, too old, all that was going to be just fine. And I'm just going to let you know you can start your online business. Now you're probably wondering what type of online business it is. Well, think about this. Online business, online marketing is anything that you want it to be. And these skills, you will learn these skills if you take it seriously by clicking on that link below and signing up and taking action. You're going to learn the skill sets of online marketing. You're going to learn the skill sets of social media marketing. You're going to learn the skill sets of how to speak properly to clients. You're going to learn the skill set to create an offer that you can go ahead and show the marketplace and the world it's all about. And the biggest thing that I notice with people, another thing, is that it's not about being afraid. I guess it's the whole scamming and being trust. And we were talking about this earlier today about trusting the process, letting go of the fear. You might have gotten scammed. I've gotten scammed before, but I have to let go of that before I can move on, before I can have an opportunity for myself and my family. Because the biggest thing is that I've been scammed, or I'm too old, too young, I'm broke. I hear that a lot as well. And you're not broke, you just haven't been paid yet. You're not broke, you just haven't been paid yet. And it's time to get you paid. But you gotta learn the skill set. You gotta let go. You gotta go all in. You gotta take the action. Let go of that. Because this is the year for you. I'm not here just to say a bunch of words. I'm here because I used to be like that. I used to play everything safe. I used to don't even take any risk. I remember I was afraid of spending $10 on a brand new notebook that I needed to go ahead and pass a particular course. I didn't want to pay $10 for a damn notebook. I wanted to pay the $5. I wanted to pay the cheap. I needed to pay the $10. What I want you to do is, I do know how it feels. Either you feel like you don't have any money, you maybe work in a 9-to-5 job or a 9-to-9 job, or you feel like you're too old, too young, broke, don't have any direction, or even been scammed. Click on that link below. I'm with you right now. Click on that link below to get signed up for your online opportunity where you can make money from home, make money by traveling. Hell, make money while you're just walking down the street. You know, I've done it, and it's time for you to go ahead and do it as well. Click on that link below. We'll go ahead and get signed up very slowly. When you get signed up, I do want to go ahead and talk to you either on the phone or social media where we can introduce each other. I want to talk to you, right? So you can email me. So when you sign up, email me, or when you sign up, I'll contact you by email, and we can go ahead and set up an appointment up, okay? Because I know how it feels. Click on that link below, and I'll see you on the inside. Don't even worry about it. Click on the link below. Click on the link below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the link below. I'll see you on the inside.